Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I'm in a hotel room. Today's Friday, so Wednesday night. Got the van towed to a shop, and they let me stay in the van overnight. And first thing yesterday morning, they pulled it in, and it was a water pump. I'd say about 98% was the original, probably water pump. I'm guessing, I don't know. But yeah, it was no good. So they pulled it. Tried to pull one piece off of it that the hose goes to, but it was so rusted on there. But they got it off, but it was no good. Found a replacement part along with the new thermostat. Used the original thermostat housing piece that goes on for the hose, and after he cleaned it up, so that put all the water in, and or radiator fluid, sorry. Had to replace one hose, and then found out that the thermostat piece that went on was most likely just pitted from rust, and by that time it was 4:30, and they said we got the part ready for in the morning, and that they'll get it fixed, and everything's all good. I did have a video, or the beginning of what would be this video, yesterday, but I don't know what happened. I probably accidentally maybe deleted it. I don't know, but that's on me. Just the only thing I really talked about in the beginning of that one was my battery pack that runs the ice cold fridge, because it was down to, I think, 46% as of Wednesday night. It got down to like 35 or something like that. It was pretty cold, and it being where it sat on the floor, I think it drained the battery down to 5%, which was good, because the fact that I needed to drain it out anyway, but wasn't hoping for another couple days. But yeah, got that finally. By the time I got 4:30 yesterday, it completely drained, which is fine. Saved the food, all good. Came to the hotel room, plugged it in, fully charged overnight, and as far as that, we'll go from there on that. Otherwise, I got to test the one side, and yeah, but it's only like probably 7:20 in the morning, so the shop doesn't open till 8. Probably be 9-10 o'clock by the time they get done. So, but yeah, that's the update on the brand. It is not. I tried to have a hotel coffee, and but I will, once I get the van, I will go from there. What's up, everybody? How y'all doing? Yeah, this video is going to be a little bit different. I don't know. Little off from my normal videos. Not yesterday, but the day before, I made a video to start this one. Somehow, again, I got lost it, deleted by accident. I can't remember, but anyway. Yeah, I made one yesterday about the water pump being done. They had to do the hose connection on top of the thermostat that got replaced. They were put it all back together. Was running, put fluid in it and all that stuff, and was testing to make sure no leaks. In that time, the other issue that I had, which was what I thought was some kind of leak coming between the transmission and the engine, that started getting worse. Put 2 and 2 together as it being diesel fuel. Started looking for the leak on that, and the somewhat conclusion was that it was the diesel. It was a fuel line coming from around the fuel filter, and by the time they figured that out, it was like late in the afternoon, like 3:30, 4 o'clock. I said, well, this was yesterday, being Friday. Sat and talked about options, and with as bad as the fuel was leaking, I was not about to drive it anywhere. Not going to happen, because I did not want it to all of a sudden be done and be stuck in the middle of nowhere. So decided Monday to fix the problem, which was that leak that I had mentioned before. So I am here until that gets fixed, which hopefully it's an easy take apart, disassemble, put back together, all that stuff, clean up the mess that the fuel made, test to make sure that there are no more fuel leaks, and then once we get that done, I'm free to go. So, Hotel Mechanics Auto Shop here in Clarksville, Tennessee continues. I probably won't do a video until after that is fixed, which probably be Monday. Hopefully, fingers crossed that it's Monday, and once we get it fixed and the shop gives their stamp of approval on everything, and we can take it out and pay for it, I will make a short follow-up video on that. So until then, if you like the content that I'm doing, it would be awesomely grateful if you could hit that subscribe, sorry, brain's not functioning, hit that subscribe button, like button, comment, all that stuff. That would be greatly appreciated to this wonderful channel of weirdos. Again, love life, live life, enjoy life. You only got one life, and life is not a video game. You cannot just restart. There are things you can restart, like, I don't know. Anyway, until next time, stay weird, my friends, and enjoy life and enjoy each other. Until then, see you later.